Hey, I'm Mike, and yeah, I master trade. I started young, didn't even know what I was doing at first, just clicking buttons, chasing candles, hoping nobody walked in. By the time I hit high school, I was master trading in the bathroom between classes, even late at night under the covers with a dimmed laptop. Every dip, every pump, I just had to touch it. Back then, I would master trade 5-6 times a day. Easy. Now, I'm older, wiser. I like to take my time and master trade with my wife. Take it slow, let it build. Sometimes I don't even enter. I just watch it, tease it. And when I do master trade, it's clean, precise. One candle, one move, boom. So yeah, I'm not ashamed. I master trade. And if you're watching this, you probably do too. Just remember, when you're master trading, risk management is everything. Hey, before I go, I'm live, right here on YouTube every morning. I'm day trading one of the best known scalping systems out there, and I am an active trader. You don't have to wait 4 hours for me to take a trade. So, come and join me at 9:15 a.m. every morning and we can all master trade together. Because master trading together is better than master trading alone.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We're not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good day, mate. Oh, I'm on 2 cameras. Let's see if it's a quick fix. It's a quick fix. BULENOX, 91% off. Extended till the end of the month. They're starting to become like Apex. The never-ending sale. The sale that ends and restarts right away. Guess what? You're pregnant. You're having a baby. Your wife's pregnant. Somebody's pregnant. Where am I looking? Your chat's there. You're here. You're pregnant. Your wife's pregnant. Your neighbor's pregnant. Your kids are pregnant. What, Butterstuns? What now? What is it today? Oh, wait. Good morning, Skeletor. Oh, way to go. Way to go. This is for you then. Okay, that's for you. That's the secret sound, only reserved for absolutely special circumstances. A triple monitor setup. So you can basically master trade now with both hands. That's the way I see it. Well, when you have time, the first thing you got to do is put up pictures in the Discord. Butters has finished the desk. Yes, please. Pics. Wow, look at you, Mr. Polite Skeletor. Yes, please. Maybe I forgot to... Can you please post pictures in the Discord? A little rough around the edges. I'll have to get pictures. Not a, you know... Don't kill yourself to do it, let's say, today. But, yeah, get them up. Get them up by the end of the fucking week, though. That's all the time we're giving you. Let me take a quick look at the 30-minute. If you remember yesterday, the 1, 2, 3. Well, when we came in the morning, it was the 1-2 punch. And when there's a 1-2 punch, that's what we're calling it. There's going to be a 1, 2, 3 punch. It's 80% of the time. We'll just take a quick look at yesterday. Yesterday, we traded above the Asia session high. I will remind you again, Asian session high is the gray box. During the London session, which is the blue box, we traded above the Asian session high. And then before the U.S. Open, which is over here, we traded below the Asia session low. So the high and the low, that's the 1-2 punch. I told you that 80% of the time when there's a 1-2 punch, it becomes a 1, 2, 3. So we're going to touch the Asia session highs again. I also told you that. Although there's an 80% probability, we don't know when it's going to happen. Could happen at 3:45. But in the end, what happened is it pretty much took it out immediately. Today, what do we got? Asia session low. We traded below the Asia session lows. We have not spiked through the Asia session high. So for now, I'm mildly bearish. We're also slightly gapping lower. Let me set up my my numbers here. Let's go to the daily. NQ is just opening down 5 points, so we'll likely clear that out and fill the gap. It's only 5 points away. That's pretty much a guarantee, I would say. Cables for certain things. Well, is that the same thing as seek and destroy? When London takes out Asia high and low, New York is expected to do the same. Oh, geez, I don't know about New York doing the same with its high and low. It just takes out the Asia session low. Let's see over here. Let's see on the day there. What time did we open? I think we just, I don't have any stats on that. This is the 9:30 candle. That means it ended at 9:30. Yeah, no, this one didn't sweep both the U.S. low and the high. It just took off. No, it's a 1, 2, 3 with the Asia session high. It's all based on the Asia session high and low. We just look at the levels. If we take out the Asia high, this is the one that I track, and we take out the Asia low, 1, 2. We're taking out the Asia session high, the Asia session high. So that's how I know and it becomes a 1, 2, 3 punch. But today we don't have that, and I kind of have a mild bearish. Like I said, we're under. We're opening 10 points under, although I do think, yeah, it's all based off that's where the levels are, the Asian session high and low. That's what we track, or I track. Yeah, down 9 points, so I'm figuring we're going to close that gap at some point. Gold is up $19 over 3,400. Beautiful. I still want to see it at 5,000. Wow, I think I had a dream. That's so funny. Gold did its beautiful stair-stepping down, doom, 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 like it does, gold and Bitcoin, and now we took off. Bitcoin up 2,600 at 120,320, up $2,645. And stair-stepping, we changed to 8, eh? Doom, 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 stair-stepping up. I tell you, Bitcoin and gold. Figure out, for me, I got to figure out how to trade these things and hold them for longer, like our sub of the week does. I got to figure out how to hold them longer. Give it up for the sub of the week. Mike Stuntz, sub of the week, for not only winning the competition last week, but making us all look really bad. Or, why does the glass have to be half empty? Making himself look really good. Put a positive spin on it. Why does he didn't make us look bad. He made himself look really good. Really, really good. Of course, trading-wise, I'm talking about. Okay. I noticed yesterday I didn't have my account info up. You know what? But I did well. So let me turn it off again. And is there anything else that I'm missing? No, I don't think I'm missing anything. That's good. That's on. All good to go. Who are you saying looks good? Omnius. Mike Stuntz. I'm saying he made himself look really good last week and the week before with his trading performance. Markets are opening in 2 minutes. So I didn't set up my trade copier yet. I'm going to start off with the Take Profit Trader account. New Apex copier, short on NQ paper. I don't trust much right now. Take Profit Trader, instrument, MNQ. And let's copy to our 3 Apex accounts. Positions, we got to track that. Okay, I'm ready to go. Yep, so theory is first target, fill the gap, go red to green. We're above VWAP. I think that's the obvious move, but then what happens after that, I have no idea. Yeah, me too. Let's start with a deal me in. Start the day off right. Let's win one deal me in. Wow, 98 versus 100. Good morning, boys and girls. James is saying good morning to the girls. The OG group of 5. I'm feeling lucky. Dealer 31. Yes, ka-ching, 85. It's going to be a good day. I'm feeling it. Markets are opening in 2 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. That's it. I'm all on the right charts. Everything is properly set up. Okay, Sim 102 is going to be trading the Bitcoin system, which is now called, I don't even know, the Butterbands Beater or something like that. I don't even know what I call it now. I know it's got butters in it. That's all I know. I know it's a slippery system. Oh, we got a trade already. Ooh-ah. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Well, I'm going to take it for a 1 lot. Just get my trade copier working. Okay, didn't work. Look at that. 3 of them out of sync. Orange, orange, and orange. See that? Trade copier not working. Trade copier. Fucking trade copier. Okay, now I got it going blue. That's a good sign. Unfortunately, my stop is at 27. That's 15 points away, but I'm going to put it in. Sell stop market down there. What a surprise. God forbid they're able to fill 3 other orders. I'm just trying to copy it to 3 accounts. Okay, well, I'm going to put my take profit at 51, 10 points away. Sell limit. That's above the bing, 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 bing. Come on, really? It's going to spike like that and that's going to stop me out? You motherfucker. I should have put it at the open. That's going to be very nasty. Very cruel. We're going back up. Wow. Can you believe that? Can you believe? Oh, wrong speaker. Okay. First lost. C'est la vie. Oh, yeah, it's true. Hey, you went short. Trying for a trade here in Q. Well, I should have had that one. Yeah, like I said, all we're going to do is close out the thing. Right? Ba-ding. Okay, I know that sound. And I have instructions. Do not wait. Do not pass go. Do not. 2-minute ORB. That's the 2-minute ORB alarm. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I should have taken that on my eval. Are we all set up? We're up. Look at that. You're up. You're talking. Let me go check my sound. I don't know. I do not know.
I think your camera's never in the same spot.
What?
Every day I gotta readjust.
No, that's not me. That can't be me because it doesn't matter where I put my camera, it's the feed. You're just pulling up a square. Know what I mean?
Bug it works for me. Works for you, works for me.
Okay, well, the first Topstep trade failed. Took like 150 ticks. Good job. We are going to get a Topstep trade very soon. How you doing this morning? You're good? Omnius? All good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got a good night's rest, ready for the day?
Oh, I don't know about that. Something about me and good night rest don't go together. Know what I mean?
Take something for it. I do.
3 o'clock in the morning, my body's like, hey, we should be wide awake right now.
I had a similar problem. I'll tell you what my problem was. My problem was I would go to bed late and wake up early. And later when we're off stream, I could tell you what I finally, I don't know how you are about meds and stuff. I'm a firm believer in taking stuff. I'm not a holistic kind of a guy. Carnivore diet got my sleep super good. Exercise is one thing, but yeah, I'll tell you what, the doctor gave me a couple of things to try. Oh, well, actually, sorry, that's a wrong sentence. It was years that I was asking for a certain medicine, and they kept putting me on other stuff to try. Enter. Better price.
I think I need to try the carnivore diet. I just don't get why you can't have vegetables.
Yeah,
Are vegetables evil? Are they fighting against us?
That is kind of weird, eh?
Is it the battle of the vegetables?
Yeah.
I always figured the carnivore people just really hated vegetables.
Okay, those are my two trades. Everything is down. That's it. Not touching those accounts anymore. Walk-in pharmacy.
Yeah, I'm not big on all the medication. I only take the medication that they tell me I have to take.
Okay.
Then argue about that.
Well, yeah, I guess you can call it medication.
I think I take this light medication would be vitamins.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I don't know. I don't even remember what I started with. But my friend, he travels a lot for his job, and the flights are long. And his doctor gave him something, and he gave me a few to try, and it was great. It was so, well, first I started with those over-the-counter ones. Let's start with that. And I wake up and I felt like hell. And then he gave, I feel like I'm still exhausted and drugged up. And he gave me a few of his things, and they worked great. You got drowsy, you fell asleep, you woke up, and you were fresh in the morning. And it was like forever. And we're talking like 6 years ago almost. Doctor would never give it to me. It was like I was asking him for crack or something. My wife goes to her doctor and says she can't sleep. Not even chronically, and she got it as a prescription, so I had it for a while. Again, I'm not going to say.
Isn't that weird how you ask the doctors for certain things?
Yeah,
they're like, just let me know if you need anything. I'm here to help you. And you're like, well, I could probably use some of this. And it's like, drug addict.
Different doctors. There, she goes to a different doctor and she gets it so easy. My friend has it. My neighbors have it. Anyways, you try this one, try that one, try this one. It was like almost a 2-year battle, and finally, eventually, he gave it to me. I sleep like a baby. I love it.
I know there's different things to help you sleep, but I don't know that they're actually good for you. Some of those things can actually disrupt your sleep.
Well, I talked to the pharmacist about it. Actually, that was one of the things that made convinced my doctor to finally give it to me. The pharmacist said him and his brother's been taking it for 10 years. It's not addictive, and it's a great thing to help you sleep, especially as you get older. So when I told that to my doctor, he said, oh, okay, and he finally agreed.
I think magnesium's supposed to help you sleep. My wife tells me to take that before bed, but I always forget.
Yeah, that's a lot of people say that.
So then around 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm like, okay, let's finally go back to sleep, right? Then I got kids waking me up. Didn't I tell you I wanted to sleep? And I got a storm at my house.
We're going back to pick you up.
Hopefully I'll be able to stream. It was kind of violent like half an hour ago. I
Oh,
was
yeah.
starting to wonder. Sound like I was in the middle of an earthquake or something. There's a bombing going on outside or something.
07, let's get to 17. 12.
One thing you can say about all those carnivore people is they all seem to really like it.
They like their barbecue. They like their meat.
Their barbecue. I don't know. Are they allowed to have barbecue sauce?
No. Sugar.
Jose, good morning.
Good morning, Jose. What does that mean? They like the food, or they like the results from the
Well, everybody you talk to people on other diets, and they're like, well, the diet sucks, but I guess I lost like 5 pounds. When you talk to people on the carnivore diet, and they seem to love it.
Because it's very successful.
Like, I don't see any of them like complaining or like down about it. Like, yeah, I'm on the carnivore diet. It sucks. It seems like a higher amount of people on it stay on it.
Yeah. Great results.
So it tells you if you're thinking about a diet, it tells you that that's a good one to do.
Mm.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
I'm short. You short?
I am short. I'm trying to recover some losses.
There you go. 21 points. That's a good way to start the day.
Mm.
That's the kind of trades I like right there. That's just in. Under a minute, 21 points. Move on with the day. If I could just get 2, 3, 4 of those a day, I'd be a happy man.
Mm.
He's like,
I'm focused on a bunch of things here. Sorry. I didn't even hear what you said, to be honest with you. If I'm confessing, I did not hear what you said. I just my way into it. That's a trick.
I took that as a screw you and your 21 points.
No, I didn't even hear you. I'm focused. I want to get... Yeah, it means I didn't hear you. Let's go. Let's break lower.
Jose, how's your morning going? Any good trades?
Jose, answer you with them. It's no one listening to you this morning, Omnius.
That's all right.
Come on, go lower, you fucker, motherfucker. There we go. Close. Okay, minus 30, minus 35, minus 38, and minus 38. That's better than minus 400, minus 400, minus 400, minus 400, right?
Are you saying that everybody's ignoring me and going,
No, I'm just saying that, I'm just saying that I am. I'm very pensive.
Very what?
Pensive in French. It's pensive. I'm, thinking deeply.
Don't hurt yourself. More thunder?
Thunder.
Faults. What does that mean? I really gotta fix this shit. What does that mean?
Good coffee.
It took it. Did great.
I'm not 100% on the no vegetables. I think part of it is that the vegetables these days are relatively void of nutrients. Seriously? Butter stunts? You do it also? Wow.
He was talking about it a little bit ago.
Mike stunts, I remember. I don't remember butter stunts. I'm sorry. You know me and my memory.
He was the one up.
He's not very good.
You gotta scroll back in the chat.
Oh, I'm talking like historically in the past, like I was talking yesterday with Dan R about it. I was asking questions to Mike Stunts about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in it longer than Mike Stunts. Okay. Well, I don't know. I saw your motorcycle videos. I'm not sure why you guys are on it.
Well, Mike said that those were like old videos. Maybe they gained like 5 pounds since then.
That time I heard you though. I'm gonna take a trade here. Short.
Field.
Gonna add if I can get better than 68. 68.50, I'm gonna add. You motherfucker, you better go down to 61. There's a 70% probability we hit 61. 63. Let's go. 70%. Do it right away. 64. 64 bid. 66 bid. 64. 63. 63. 62. I don't have my cash register. I want to use my ATM. That's enough. I don't feel like waiting anymore. Good enough.
There's my ghost order again. Got to get with GPT about the ghost orders.
Oh, we got a short over here. Let's take it again. How many points? F8. It is 50. Ooh, this is a big stop. This is a big stop. Not crazy about this one. But I'll add if we get a bearish bar on the Renkos. There we go. Let's go. Hit the cash register. It.
Order canceled.
There, I know I chased.
Very good. I did it for my gut health. Oh, yeah.
That's what I need right there. Screw everything else. I need the gut health.
Short.
Yeah, I could have held longer.
Mm-hmm.
I think I did it right, though. I knew I chased, so I wanted to get out early.
I'm doing too many things today. But,
yeah, me too.
I'm
already taken, what, 4 trades?
Oh, well.
2 manually, 2 by the bot.
This trade here at 9:44. Shit, I forgot the 2-minute one again. Oh, okay. This one here is this is a get in and hold trade, and I'm supposed to have held at least some piece of it. That's that new system there, the longer holding, but I forgot. So what can you do?
Y'all got me busy today. 9:47. Already taken 4 trades. It's a whole day's worth of trading for me. Shut it down. Call it a day. Go play Fortnite.
Are you green?
Yeah, every one.
Good. MBT 0825.
We got open 233.45.
I'll fix it. Give me a sec. I'll be back.
45.50. Did not expect the big drop today. I thought came down, we're pushing back up. Gold's just been chopping sideways for a few days, huh? Dropped 141 points since the market opened. least we're getting nice movement. How's everybody else doing? Jose, you still there? You taking any trades? Butters, how you looking for the day? Any good trades? $1 million? Terrible? Oh, I have to sell the fancy car. Should have taken paper setup on eval. Would you try to catch the bottom? Thing's still dropping. Damn, 170 points. Gone 30 points since I said something just a minute ago. Damn, look at that hourly candle. That's a hell of an hourly candle.
I would have crushed it if I held. Amazing. What a dump.
Yep. All we had to do was just come in this morning and go short and just hold it. We'd all be rich.
Mhm.
Wouldn't it be great if trading was that easy?
You?
I mean, it can be boring.
Oh. Who goes to work in the morning and doesn't think their job is boring? At least this can pay a lot more because you can scale.
I wake up and think trading's kind of fun and interesting. Every day is kind of a new adventure. Wonder how many times I get punched in the face.
Wow, look at that. Well, I guess I can't get in. I guess I can't get in because I'd be chasing, or I can get in, but if the bar turns bullish, I have to get out. Not
There you
on
go.
the...
There's a video. There's a video ideal. What do traders and boxers have in common? They both wonder right before they go to work how many times they're going to get punched in the face today.
How many times they're going to get knocked out? Or if they're going to get knocked out.
Everybody has a plan until they get punched in the face.
Order canceled.
When you look up and you see that you're negative more money than this month's rent.
21, 28. What am I short at? 23.
Did you look at the hourly candle?
Nah.
I was about 200 points now. Damn. 235.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be fighting that.
A little spike. This could be the 10 o'clock reversal. It's between 9:50 and 10:10. I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying it could be.
And we're at kind of a support zone. Could be. And we're at a pivot point. Pivot point, support zone. And a nice hammer candle on the 2-minute.
Mm.
Hey, are you muted?
No, I shouldn't be. Am I? No, doesn't look like it. And I didn't check.
No, I can hear you now.
I'm just focused. We'll make the jokes later.
Mike not wanting to make jokes?
No, I did some. I had a couple.
Did you say you're long?
I had a couple. I'm long on Sim.
Nice looking reversal on the 2-minute. So we can get an inside bar on the 5-minute. It's funny because, like, a minute ago, I was like, I would not be wanting to try to catch the bottom on this one.
Mm. Oh, you took a long?
No.
Oh, no.
I'm just saying, a minute ago, I was like, I would not be trying to catch the bottom. And here I am talking about how great it looks as a reversal.
Maybe I'll take just the one lot and take profit and see what happens here.
Order canceled.
So I just got a sell signal. So I think we're going to test that bottom again.
Order canceled.
Now, if we get a long signal, I might trust it more.
Oh, really?
I'll be honest with you, I really don't like counter trend trading anymore. But I could see this as the bottom.
No,
Order
I took
I think we want to push.
I took a short.
That bottom again. To the short?
I took a short. I was. Look at my Renkos. When we're above the bands, I'm long. When I'm below the bands, I'm short. It flipped. It flipped the script. My indicators are very sensitive.
Yeah, I could have took that short. It worked also.
It did?
That was easy money.
It was?
No, I can't fight a hammer candle.
I mean, you can't. Have anything else to say?
There's just certain things I'd rather not fight in the market. So if they break new lows, they could just dump this some more. Who'd y'all make mad last night?
I don't know.
Ain't we supposed to have a bunch of earnings coming up?
I did hear that. Someone did say that we have earnings coming up. Earnings are starting. Earnings season is starting. Something along those lines, definitely.
Oh, we got news right now. Richmond Manufacturing Index. It's green. It's not a red folder, but yeah, I used to keep up with the earnings and stuff, but I guess I don't do that much anymore.
Yeah, we probably should.
I think either this week or next week we have some major earnings reports.
Well, yeah, if it's the start of the earnings season, there's going to be some big ones. That was a nice trade. Oh, that's true. James, you still there? Where's my chat? I'm not even, can't see my chat. Butterstunts, plan, they bought. Skeletor, it's so beautiful to get 38.75% with 1 mini, but I cannot get that one trading PA. Yeah. I don't remember if we mentioned the time. So, yeah, be here for 11:45.
Tom, good morning.
Okay.
Tom, you take any good trades today? Short, long?
Stop. Okay, yeah, I don't remember if we covered the time.
So we did go back and test the bottom to that liquidity down there. Now this could be the long. And we'll give it a one lot just to watch it.
I'm going to go 2 lot if I can. What is that? Well, no, I was going to say if I had the retrace and the continuation above the bands, I was going to go with 2 lot and hang it and hold on for longer. Should I bring 6 Advil, 6 Tylenol? No, so far I don't have a headache. So you see how fast I could switch from short to long to short to long.
Good morning.
But I am going to take rowbacks if I remember.
Tom took a short this morning, made a little bit, missed the open.
And the reason why I'm going to take a rowback is my back's been sensitive the past couple of days.
Stop, jumped up. Don't do that.
Hey, Ruan.
Yeah, maybe they're not ready to go up yet. Yeah, Tom, the open was kind of violent. They just opened up and dropped like, what, 50 points or 70? 70 points. A little bit of a push up, and now we're down 250.
Is that how much we're down?
Yeah.
Yeah, down 226, eh? Joker! Joker.
That was a 2 minute. I took 2 of them today. This morning? Both of them were successful. Both short, I believe. Yeah, both short.
Joker has joined us.
Would have been short below the 15 open range.
Did I do well with the Santa, with the red Santa beard?
Tom likes the open range also.
Oh, yeah.
15 minute open range.
We got everybody today.
Tom, do you take the breakout or do you take the retest?
All we're missing is Mike Stunts.
Mike, we missed the open range altogether, didn't we?
I'm missing so much because I'm kind of distracted and I don't know why. And I'm oh shit! And I just got a blue background.
Well, that was a great open range. Came down, tested it, set it, broke right through it.
Hard to see where the stop is though.
Take the short.
How far away is the stop? 110. Oh shit! No, this is too big for me. Come on, push up. Push up. Yeah, it's too big for me. I'm not taking that as a stop. Bitcoin came down, eh? We were over 120. It's a good thing I'm not trying to trade gold. So today's the first.
Now. Go ahead.
Oh no, I was just saying today's the first day I've gotten back to my take profit trader account since Joker stopped me from trading, from playing not Russian roulette, but pretty much probably blowing the account. And I don't remember what I stopped with, but I think I stopped with 222 or 227 or minus 270, somewhere in that range. So you see, one day and you got it back. That's all it is. You know, I'm just trying to reinforce the idea for myself and for you guys too. Take a small loss. You can recover it the next day. You forget about it even the next day. You don't even know which account it was. At least I don't.
Yeah, especially if you got multiple accounts.
Yeah, keep those losses small. That's all.
I mean, if you're down 20, 40 points for the day, that's nothing.
Man, wish I hadn't tried to take a long on NQ because his gold short is going all right.
What are you talking about? I'm up 30 points on the long.
I was reading a Butterstunt's comment.
Oh, I wish I'd have took a larger position.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out where my take profit is. I'm going to go break even, I guess. This is why I can't take these kind of trades, because I can't hold them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, just take the profit. Just take the profit. Up 43.
Today would have been a great day for the new butter system, the one that I hold longer. Let's go see what it's fucking called. I went long way too high. Yeah, but wherever you, well, it depends on where you went long. But if you went long after around 10 o'clock.
Yeah, fucking I'm out. 41 points.
Even if you went long over here, you still should be in it. I went long way too high. Ninja.
40 points.
You got 40 points?
Yeah. That's just the one contract, though. I was just taking it to kind of, I don't know. I need to start taking these.
40 points.
That's like a swing trade for me.
It is. Okay, butter bands. That's what you want to know what the system is now called. It's called either Butter Bands Bitcoin or Butter Bands Breach.
Yeah, Tom.
I had to know the name. I'm sorry. Ooh, I got another long? Or is that the same one? Oh, no. Okay.
Tom, I try to stick with the trend because historically counter trend gets me. But lately the trending market hasn't been that good. So I've been trying to look at some of the counter trend trades like these. That's why I lowered position size. I'm really not a fan of counter trend trading. You can do great counter trend trading. I feel like you just got to be one or the other. Either a trend trader or a counter trend trader. Mike, I don't hear too many people talk about their success of being a trend trader and a counter trend trader.
Oh, yeah. It's because they're all in a mental institute.
Right. I feel like you have to look at the market one way or the other. Everybody thinks they can do both. But I think it just messes up how you look at the market.
Yeah. If you're going to be a trend trader and a counter trend trader, first, in my opinion, you probably better be mostly a trend trader and just reserving a counter trend trade for when you're taking out a really significant level. Not just, like if there's something really obvious, hitting 23,000, hitting 25,000 for the first time. If you got triple tops at the Asia highs, London highs, and the U.S. session highs, and now it's 11:30, like it better be real damn obvious. It better be screaming at you.
Mm-hmm. Well, that one kind of was. I called out a bunch of confluences. I even said I wanted to see it come back, retest. It came back, retest. took liquidity, gave another buy signal. And at that point, it was like, well, got to at least try it with one, right?
Yeah, no, that was a great call. I wish I took it. I wish I took it.
Even called out the hammer and the inside candle on the 5-minute. So there was a lot screaming there.
Your opinion for sure, because a good counter trend trader is someone who takes the trend even before some trend traders see it. Yeah, I mean, it all depends, James, on how you define a trend. You know, you can see it early. I don't think you're going to see it earlier than my Renkos, though, because my Renkos flip on a dime. You know, I need 7 points, and I'm flipping. You know, like, there you go. Here's the bullish trend. I go back a little bit. You know, here's a bullish and a bearish trend, and then here's the bearish trend. So, you know, I'm getting a new trend every minute and a half with these. They're very fast charts. Most counter trend traders are looking for buck and chalk. Break or boss, break a structure, change a character. You need a swing high to be taken out. Maybe 2 swing highs to be taken out before you confirm it. So you're kind of late.
I think a lot of people debate over whether it's trending or counter trending. But I don't really think it matters. It's whatever it's doing to you.
How you read the market.
Don't matter if I'm seeing it as a trend or a counter trend. It matters if you're seeing it as a trend or a counter trend.
Look, guys. First off, time frame is so important when you're deciding if you're, you know, I could say you're counter trend trading, and then you could show me a 4-hour chart and say you're a moron. I'm trend trading. You know,
Mike, you lost me on your string.
For the air horn. Yeah, good catch. There we go. Like, you understand, right? You're going short. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're going long in this fall over here, this 100-point fall. And I'm telling you, you're counter trend trading. Then you can show me a daily chart or a 4-hour chart and say, no, I'm trend trading. So it's so relevant to the time frame you're using.
Actually kind of broke the trend line on the hourly chart.
Who am I to say you're even using the same time frame I am, that I'm using?
Well, I say it's whether you see it as counter trend or trending. Don't matter what anybody else sees.
Nope.
Like on my chart, it's clearly laid out. I have an indicator that tells me if it's red, I want to go short. If it's blue, I want to go long. Well, not go, but I want to look for a long or a short.
Take profit trader, top step trade. Sorry, at 84, I got in at 82. 84, 91's the target. 70% target, 91.
Going long?
Long. We got a swing high there. That's causing me some stress.
See, now you have a long. So for you, that would be trending. For me, I don't have that yet. So for me,
oh boy, that's perfect.
I would still be looking short.
I'm hoping you get the long so I can increase my target.
No, I ain't nowhere near long.
Serious? Oh, that sucks. Okay, I'm lightening up because this one doesn't want to go. Way too much resistance at this level here. That doesn't mean anything. It's still 91. 91 is still a 70% probability. I just am interfering with my system because I am trying to reduce my risk because I'm having a good day and I don't want to screw it up. There's 89. But it doesn't change the probabilities. 90 on the offer. 90.50. There's your 91. I took it. Ka-ching, 70%. It definitely depends on which angle you look at. Yeah, exactly. It's like someone telling me they have a 90% system. That doesn't mean anything until I see what your average winner and your average loser is. Your 90% system is irrelevant to me. So exactly with telling me if you're trend trading or not, or counter trend trading, I need to know the time frame you're looking at before I can even see if I agree with you. And who cares if I agree with you? You have to agree with yourself. That's it. It has to work for you. It doesn't have to work for me if you're doing it.
I hear people talking about these 90% systems. My only question is where's the castle and the Lamborghinis?
Out back? They're keeping it safe. Behind
if you had a 90% at a 2-to-1, I mean, you should at least have a castle.
Forget about it. Yeah. Wow.
One of those streamers was talking about an 85 or something like that, 2-to-1. I'm like, okay, so you had a castle, Lamborghini. Jose, what's the time frame? 5 minute, 15 minute? Five minute. Coming off of the gap.
Looking for another trade on
That the 200. So you got the 200 with the gap for confluence pushing up top of the range. That's a good trade.
Top of the morning to you. Well, I caught a nice.
Oh yeah, how'd your long go?
Me?
Yeah, wasn't you on a long?
Yeah, the target hit, 70% probability. Target got hit. I lightened up because it took a little while, and I was a little bit hesitant to wait it out because I said I was having a good day. I don't want to ruin it. I didn't want to take extra risk. My day's kind of done already, especially since I'm cutting out a little early today.
It's about the way I feel. I'm already up nicely across all accounts. I just don't screw it up.
You know how you don't screw it up? Don't screw it up. Don't touch them.
Exactly.
Rotate. Go to another account. If you don't have another account, go to Sim. Lock in the gains. Oh, shit. Sorry about that,
I'm just going to
Butters.
lower it down to one contract and just kind of mess around. Worst come to worst, this day is going to end green. And those other accounts, they're done anyways. They don't trade after 10.
Okay.
It says it can be done with the 90% win rate. Problem is that the R&R is probably 100-to-1. Yes. Yes. Hey, I trade that system. And in one loss, you lose everything. I know from experience. Me too. I'm trading a similar system right now. So, Jose, I'm working on I don't know if you heard me talk about it in the past days, but I'm working on a system to pass evals in about a week. And basically, if you lose a trade or two, you blow it up and you'd start a new eval. But trying to get the system to where it can have about a 90% probability pass evals in about a week.
Sign me up. I want to be a beta tester.
It's a work in progress. especially since last week I took, what, 2 losses? But I think I need to increase my size. Those losses should have blown the accounts. Should have started over. What was that? An E what? Oh, an eval? For the prop firms. Sign up for the prop firm, you pass an eval, and then you get a funded account. BULENOX, you sign up, it's like $15 right now. Pass the eval, then you can get a funded account. I think you got to pay, it was like $158 or something for the funded. I don't even remember.
Yeah, I entered a contest yesterday. Take Profit Trader was having a contest. They gave you a picture. Let's see if I can find it. Don't open up on the wrong screen. Perfect. Ah, there you go. It's perfect. Exactly perfect. So they gave you this picture, and it's the one who fills in the caption the best wins. They have 5. Oh shit! What I do? Oh yeah, they have 5 accounts to give away. 5 50K accounts. You have to fill in that caption. So this is what I filled it in with. I think this is it. Nope.
Master Trader.
Yeah, something like that. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, I'll wait. It's always like this. You know what? Let me just do it the easy. Let me just do it the easy way. I should have just prepared everything before I told you guys this.
When you want to find a picture, you can't never find it.
This super interesting story. There we go. No, I know where it is, but just the way I tried to open it was the wrong way. There we go. This is my entry. Oh, hold on. I bet he's thinking about other women. I hope she doesn't touch my mouse. I just finished master trading. I think I should win. The best 5 answers win a free 50K test account. Take Profit Trader. It was on Twitter.
You gotta move it over just a little bit. You're behind the chart.
Oh, I just closed it.
Yeah. Whatever.
No. You know, whatever.
Well, everybody heard what you were saying anyways. I was just saying you can't really see the picture.
Okay, sorry. It's the other thing there. There we go. Let me see.
There you go.
Yeah, so that was my, that's my entry. Anyways, like I said, it's live on Twitter, so go and do it if you got an idea. Most people put something really lame, like, I hope she doesn't know I blew my account, or, you know, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Or are they going to have a sale, a 50% sale? That's fucking boring. My gold short came back on me. I didn't even look at gold. Gold.
Yeah, gold's been choppy the past few days.
Boom, short, yeah. But it's over 3,400. We're over 3,400.
That all the down move? We're just gonna go sideways now.
Mm.
Could you see it chop sideways, take back everybody's money? take a break. Go grab a new drink. I'll be back.
Okay. Well, let's see if we break that swing low on NQ. And I don't mean with a wick, I mean with a close, with a candle close. So far, we just wicked it. So I'm interpreting this little move here so far as a bull flag. Now, I'm not completely committed to this because we are in a strong down move, and that is easily a retrace in a down move. But for now, until we break that swing low with a close, I'm thinking we could see more upside. Maybe just want to bounce back into the previous day's low, which is the red dotted line, view up again. But on the other hand, if we get a close below, who knows? We might just go take out the US session lows. Or you know what we might see? What we often see when there's kind of a change of direction. A pullback. Very close. Very close to taking out the US session lows, but not actually taking out the US session lows. Maybe down to 23,130. That's a move I see the market do very often. Give people hope. Well, first of all, take away the hope from the longs and give people hope we're going to take out the US session lows and get them chasing that. And then it goes higher. And all the people who went long said, fuck, if only I held. They faked me out, because that's what the market does. Fakes everybody out. That's what it's designed to do. Cause the most amount of damage, the most amount of pain. Before it makes the real move. But however you position yourself, you have to position yourself properly and not allow your losses to mount. Like you can't go long and say, oh, I'll put my stop all the way down and I'll add. No, if you're long and we break this swing low, get out. Get back in when we break a swing high as just an idea. Get back in when you have another long entry. However you follow the market, it's not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Do not copy my trades. Trade on demo. 90% of traders lose money. You should know that by now. I'm just talking out of my ass and talking the way I would tell my boys to do it. The way I would advise them to look at it. Omnius put his earbuds back in his ears so he can listen to his Spanish dance music. We know
everybody likes the Spanish dance music.
We
Not
know
just me.
I'm hoping we can get above those black bands there. If we can get above those black bands on my Renko charts, and we're above the blue bands, that's like that's the double whammy. That's the double dip.
Wonder if they have a heavy metal version of Spanish dance music.
I accept that challenge. I'll be back in 30 seconds. That's how long it'll take to do it.
It only takes you 30 seconds to master trade?
Master trade, no, to create a heavy metal. My camera's going to go for a second, guys. Bear with me. I got to find my... What else is it called besides heavy metal? Anything else I can call it? Acid rock? Are you gone? You don't hear me?
I hear you.
Yeah, so what else can I call it besides heavy metal?
I was thinking it takes the brain a few seconds to think.
Give me one more word.
Don't know. I just call it heavy metal.
Yeah,
Call
okay.
it
No, with
degent.
you were calling it something when you were talking.
Called all kinds of. There's a million different names.
Yeah.
Heavy metal, degent, thrash metal, death metal.
Oh, death metal. Okay, there we go. Well, let's
call
see.
it degent. Death metal is a bit much.
Degent?
Degent.
D-E-G.
Maybe D-J-E-N-T, I think. I don't know.
Okay, we'll go with death metal if you can't spell it. I don't know what it is. I've never heard of it.
That's what the younger kids call it.
Forget it. I'm generating already.
Let's see. Degent. Yeah. Had it right.
But you're saying D. I don't get where the A came from.
I didn't say A. Subgenre of progressive metal.
Okay, you ready? The hell is this?
Turn it on.
Yeah, you're gonna have to actually probably turn on the sound on your stream, but close somewhere. Close the sound on your broadcasting software, otherwise you get an echo. Well, let's hear. Oh, I clicked play.
Not this again, not this again. Try to size down, trumped again, wrecked again. Daddy's home, don't press in.
Where's the heavy metal?
No anchor, bro, this gotta end.
Nope, no heavy metal there. Let's try the other one. It gave me 2. Nope, doesn't sound like it threw in the heavy metal. It had too much Spanish influence. I'd have to play with it. I have to put probably more of the, like you said, the degent. Okay, spell it again for me.
Hold on, I hear like 5 of you. D-J-E-N-T.
D-J-E.
You know they have Spanish.
Oh, okay, like that.
You know they have Spanish heavy metal bands, right?
Yeah, oh, I'm sure. I'm trying to get a mix of the two, though. I'll try one more. We'll see. D-J-E-N-T. That's where I was hearing the A, when the letter A, when you were saying J. I heard you say D. I heard D-J-A, whatever. Generate. Let's see what we get. This one, never.
What do we got? Yesterday's low? What's this red line? Yesterday's low? See some buying opportunities. Okay, I'll take one. Not risking my day on it.
Okay, just quickly, let me see.
Not this again. Try to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press in.
No, it's not able to combine the two. I get one more shot. That's it. So degent made all the difference.
Yeah, it's just throwing like some breakdowns and stuff.
Nah, I guess you can't combine the two. Oh well, I tried. Doesn't do miracles. Okay, I'm back to trading. That was fun. I hope.
Yeah, I'll take it for the 15 points.
Nice. Okay, so I was right. I drew my trend line. Said we're in a little bull flag here. Continuation move to the upside. The only time it got invalidated is if we closed below the swings. We didn't close below. We wicked them. What a surprise. NQ always has to do that somehow, some way. I don't know who always manages to push it to wick.
Did have a nice cup and handle.
Yeah, we broke it. Yeah, I don't know how to recognize that.
From there.
I wish I knew how to recognize. I know like it's an easy pattern in anything, but
what are we saying NQ always does?
Wick. It always wicks a low, an internal low, an external low, whatever. It's always wicking and just breaking it by a little bit and then reversing the direction.
A dang wicked NQ, huh?
Yeah. You know, just like it takes you out, you know, like it's just, that's where I always place my stops. Not anymore, but in the beginning, that's where I always placed my stops, and I always got taken out and got frustrated.
Yeah, all the videos you watch, they tell you just put your stop under the low here.
Yeah. Well, eventually a swing low has to be put in. So, yeah, it is a valid strategy. You can't keep wicking the swing lows and making another one and another one and another one. Otherwise, you're going lower, 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 and lower. But it's very frustrating, and there's really only one thing that can relieve frustration.
Master trading?
Master trading. A quick 2-minute session of master trading. Why did we form a low? Because there, let me see. Because the algo pulled the offers and the buyers now have to chase.
Daily fair value gap. Let's go look at it.
I like to say we broke. Why did we form a low? Well,
he's saying it bounced off of the daily fair value gap.
Yeah, I'm saying we got above the blue bands on the Renko chart.
I'm saying because we have a whole lot of support right there. We look at the daily, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts. We broke above. Now we came down and hit that same zone.
What time frame you seeing that?
Daily. Probably see it on hourly also.
Yeah.
I even called it out when I called the low earlier. I said there was a heavy support right here.
Okay. Yeah, I remember you saying that.
You can go to hourly. You see 1, 2, 3. Tested it, broke back below, then went above. Tested again. What was that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? But there's also a fair value gap there on the daily. So,
wow, nice catch, wood chip. Well, volatility is pretty well back to what I would call normal. 1040, 14-point range in the 1-minute charts, 15, 16, 17-point range. That's pretty good. That's okay. That's acceptable. Yeah. Much better than 7 points, 6 points, and I re-entered at 33 again.
Yeah, great volatility for today. I don't know. My ATR says 12. What's yours say?
14. I'm based on only 6 periods. Remember, I'll always be different than you. What? Oh, you re-entered short. I thought you re-entered long at 133. I thought you caught the move really early. What chip? What chip? I can't say you got to. What can I say? That commercial break was brought to you by... I didn't know what to say. If you're blowing your account on one or two trades, in my opinion, not financial advice, you're trading too large. Cut your size. Stop being impatient, guys. Go watch my video. Let me get that up for you guys. I should play it.
$15-minute and a 5-minute still looking fairly bullish, and the 2-minute.
I was short for 2 hours or more, then got stopped on first min. Here's a really good video. Go and watch this video to get an insight into this business and how they drain your accounts and credit cards.
Good video. Watched it yesterday.
Thank you.
I keep hearing this
Okay,
rumbling.
says
I don't know
Micros.
if it's in my ears or if it's more thunder.
Well, again, what I would tell my boys is that then 6 micros was too large. You need it to be in 2 micros or 1 micro. If it's causing that much damage, it's really not the size. It's the size with the size of the stop.
So it must have been a pretty wide stop, huh? How many points was the stop, Woodchip? $6 micros, that's what, 12 points,
Well, $12 a point, yeah.
$12 a point, yeah.
You know, one of the things I worked on with ChatGPT when I was, and I still am, working on it with my risk management and emotional management and discipline and process. One of the things I told it is, you know, imagine you go into a job interview, and they tell you all you got to do is follow these simple instructions. If you can do it, you get paid. If you can't do it, get out of here. A 12-year-old can follow these simple instructions. It's all we need to do. Click the button when this happens and exit the trade when this happens. You don't get any of the profits. We just pay you by the hour, but we're paying you $100 an hour. You want the job? You can do it? A 15-year-old can do it for years on end and not make a mistake. So it is doable. The only reason why it's not doable, why we break our process, is because we have messages in our brain telling us other ideas. And then I came across something yesterday, and I don't know where it was, but it was one of the notes that I had to myself. My daughter will save me. I'm going to jump in Discord. I don't remember where I said, but I think it was one of my notes, and it said, trading is as easy as, you know, being an apple picker, picking oranges. It's very simple. It's a simple task. We make it difficult.
So easy a child can do it, so complicated an adult can't.
No, because we're not following you. We can. Again, like I said, I'm sure if I told Woodchip, I'm going to hire you for $1,000 an hour, but you have to do this. If you don't do this, you don't get paid. Nothing. You don't get paid even for the hours you put in. It would be no problem. Anyone with a discipline problem would be able to do it and would do it because their way they're framing it in their head is different. You got to get into your internal, into your subconscious, into your internal message and figure out what it is you're telling yourself and change it. I actually have part of my process telling myself, I'm applying for a job interview. This is my interview. They want to see if I could follow the instructions today. I'm not even getting paid, but I want this job. So all I have to do is follow the instructions. And when you change your frame of mind like that, that's the only thing you focus on. Following the rules. Exactly. Not make it doesn't.
Go ahead.
Oh, I was saying, and it's so easy. You trade the right size and you get in and you get out because you're not focusing on the money at all.
That's why changing it to points is so important.
Helps a ton.
Sorry, I can't even talk. I keep coughing over here.
Hey, well, that's cool.
But yeah, I'm a big fan of changing it from money value to points.
Yeah, I had it like that for a while, but I put it back to money. Don't ask me why. Butters is in, he said he's going into the Discord. You want to go check if he's there? In the meantime, I'm just doing something quick, but we can switch channels. He's in the public. Okay, so hop on over. I'll be there in a sec if you want.
Yeah. Mike, you there?
I'm here. Yep, everything seems to be working. I just got to fix my camera for a sec. I just got to put on the all cams instead of the two cams.
Yep, just testing the audio.
That's all cams, really? Good. Looks good. Hey, so I was right. Given that I'm a superstitious guy, I didn't have my accounts showing yesterday, and I did well. I was going to show my accounts today, and I said, you know what? I did well yesterday without showing my accounts during the day. So only at the end of the day, only when I'm kind of done trading, I did it again today, and it went well. So I'll show my accounts at the end of the day. The story I heard was that you get hired by a firm to trade, and they tell you, I will give you $100 today if you don't take a trade, but you have to have your account open. You have to watch the chart. Yeah, you can tell yourself any story. They all work. They all work. Just put that in your frame of mind. Think of yourself as an actor. and you're playing a role. And that's the role you're playing.
Butters, you there?
Do I have him on mute? You have him on mute, maybe?
Oh, I made it myself.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I was
There we go.
making sure the audio was coming through.
Do I have an echo?
You did on the first one, but not anymore.
Okay. Omnius might be. Oh, let me turn down Omnius too. It
Are
might
you-
be echoing.
Are you streaming from a canyon?
No. I don't have carpet in this room yet, so it's very a lot of echoey in the room itself.
Yeah.
I don't have that wood chip. We didn't sweep we never swept the high. We only swept the lows. So I don't have a stat on anything like that. I only have a stat on if we sweep the high and then the low. Now I have a stat on that pattern, or if we sweep the high and then we sweep the low. At that point, I have a stat on that pattern. And I told you it's a 1-2-3. It's a 1-2-3 punch. So here we swept Asia high is the gray box. We swept the high. I have no stats. We swept the low. Boom. The minute we swept the low, I have a stat. And the stat is 80%. We go back and we turn it into a 1-2-3.
My setups were. Here's the problem with today: is my setups worked, and you know
Okay.
how I've been saying that I don't know where to set my take profit.
Yeah, that's so difficult.
That's what burned me today, especially on gold. I had a beautiful gold trade almost from the top, took
Yeah.
it down,
Well,
and it didn't quite come to my. It didn't. I got greedy with my take profit.
okay.
Should have put my take profit at that support, and just did not. And
You said
then
that-
it kind of
You said that
spiraled.
was on gold?
Yeah, gold was like the really good trade that I missed out. You know, it probably came like a couple points, not even yeah, maybe like 2 points away from my take profit on gold on that short.
Well,
and
you wanna-
NQ was just a mess today.
You want to take a look at the gold trade? Like, what was the time frame and where about was the entry?
Yeah,
If you want to take a look at it. If not, oh well.
if not, oh well. What the
No, I'm
fuck?
just saying if he wants to. If he don't want to, I mean, ain't no big deal.
Yeah, if you don't want to, go Patrick yourself.
this execution is not what I actually took. I actually took it from, right there. Took it
Shit.
from
Hey,
right there.
Hey, hold on. You don't have any like you don't have anything showing your name on there, do you?
No, this is all my paper shit.
Just seen that you had your account up.
Yeah, I didn't click watch stream yet. All is good. I can click watch stream.
I think so.
I see something in the corner. I can't see what it is.
Are you
But
go-
as long
are
as
you
it's
gonna-
not like, as long
are
as
you
it's
gonna
not like
copy
his
my
name and
paper?
address and
No.
shit.
Mm.
Yeah, gonna copy my paper trades.
No, I like my own trades. Just
Yeah, so we had this
Long gold.
right there. You can kind of see how it, dumped out of there. So I was just, I took this short right out of the zone. Excuse me. And I gave it, entered on this pink line, gave it the whole zone. Usually it won't come up that high, as you can see. It only just tapped into it. Came all the way back down here. I was looking to take it around.
oh, so that wasn't that long ago.
Yeah,
Right.
this is right off the open, pretty much. I wanted to take it like here. I was, I should have put it at these highs, and then it would have, tapped me out of the trade perfectly. But I got greedy. I put my take profit right there. Like, if it hits this, it'll probably come down to there to hit that, and then it went all the way back and stopped me out.
Oh, so I'm looking at it wrong. Then that mark is your stop out point. Thought that was the entry.
This this was the entry, and then it came all the way back, and I held it because I've had it where it'll, it'll go down to where I think it's gonna go, and then come back, and then go, go to where I want to actually see. But yeah, and then NQ was just a mess too. I tried to take it long out of this zone, completely failed, and then this zone ended up holding, but it got tapped out at the bottom, didn't touch the pivot. I don't know. That one, it just got messy. Just wasn't what I wanted to see, so. And now I blew my account. So.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, so I'm going to size down to like 3. I think 3 you can, it's a good balance. I think Mike's right on with the 3 micros.
Who's playing music?
Oh, am I playing? Can you hear music?
I kept hearing something.
I don't know, but I just turned the sound off on my stream.
Minecraft.
Fucking YouTube. They're crazy about any kind of music.
Now I'm curious to see if I get flagged for fucking Minecraft music.
Minecraft music?
That's gonna be sad.
I think you should.
That's gonna be sad.
You know what's fucked up, Mike? You have all those streamers that stream like Minecraft and stuff.
Yeah,
How do they not get flagged?
Exactly. Well, let's see. Let's see if I get flagged.
That must fall under fair use, I guess.
Well, then why don't it fall under fair use when we do it?
I don't know. I don't know why you guys get flagged instantly off of anything. It's really
it's so fast.
That's really bogus. And that's totally within if you play a couple seconds and you get flagged for it, I'd say that falls within fair use pretty easily.
Nope. I tried a fair use a few weeks ago for an intro video I was gonna do. And it wasn't even a song, it was a beat. There was no singing. It was just a beat. And it was probably a 10-second beat. Got flagged, disputed it for fair use, and they went against me.
Oh shit. I got flagged for 1.5 seconds. Forget 10 seconds.
Yeah, but I'm just saying I claimed fair use on a 10-second beat. Wasn't even a song, it was just a beat.
Okay, yeah.
Claimed fair use and they went against me. At that point, you don't want to keep disputing it because I don't want to get a strike on my account.
Legit.
There he is. I wonder why Woodchip wasn't here.
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
So, blowing accounts.
Yeah, you're not having fun if you can't blow at least a count or 2 a week.
A week.
Nah, just joking. Maybe a month.
I mean, a week is pretty good because that's not 5 days, but
Oh, I just realized Mike's background says "Deal me in."
Yeah.
Nice.
It used to say Woodchip Studios, but he never said anything, so I got rid of it.
what? I didn't see it.
Yeah, I had it up for a couple of days. And then, okay, goodbye. No more Woodchip Studios.
Hilarious. Hey, can you use that image as my Butters has something on his Discord you know what I'm talking about?
No, which one?
Instead of the remote control with the purple background on my video screen.
On your Discord logo thing?
Oh, no, I can't change your image. That's you.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, I can't do it from here, I don't think.
I got to just go to your profile and click image, right?
Something like that,
Yeah.
I think that's it, yeah.
I did the chat GBT on my phone. So I'll have to go. Okay.
And I went to settings, now I can't get out. There we go.
Let's see. Avatar. No.
Anybody else in the room want to join the Discord? We're in the public chat room.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that.
Free to join.
It only lets me. Oh, here we go. Mike, which one should I use?
I like the first
The
one.
angry guy?
I like the first one.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck?
Oh, just with the hat and the table saw?
Mm-hmm.
Or the one where I'm chiseling.
Let me go look again.
I'm wood chipping.
I'm wood chipping.
Wood chip.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. He's got that trademark
No,
coming
no,
after you.
No.
All right.
That's not it at all. He said it first. Now I have to. Now I have
All
to.
right. Let's see if this does it.
Imagine a world where wood chip possesses the ability to chip other chips.
There you go.
If wood chip could chip
it's so
chips,
tiny.
how many
It's
chips
so
could
small.
wood chip chip?
Yeah.
And
That's
how
what
many
she said.
chips would wood chip chip?
Can't even see it.
Would wood chip chip chips if they weren't wood chips? The possibilities would be limited only by wood chip's own strength and desire to chip chips. Would wood chip chip endlessly? While we may never know for sure, it's fun
that
to
as big as it
imagine
makes the
wood
picture?
chip chipping.
That's the only
Chips
option?
Yeah.
tirelessly away in a forest full of chips.
Brand new to this.
Yeah, I guess if I turn my camera off, mine's the same size. Yeah, I'm brand new to it also. I don't know anything about Discord.
Yeah, no, I agree with you. Wood chip. That one is the that one's the better one.
That's the one.
And the other one's good too. But you're wearing a Bass Pro Shops hat instead of it saying wood chip.
Yeah, that's because I ran out of edits.
Oh, okay. And they just put you that hat
Although I could
automatically?
Yeah,
No kidding. Because does it say Bass
think I
Pro
did.
Shops on it, or it just looks like it?
it just looks. It says like Bass 2 Shops.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Bass Pro Shops.
It is supposed to be Bass Pro Shops, but they probably can't do that.
Yeah.
Or I don't know if that makes any sense. Licensing.
Oh,
The gold is running.
Yep, I'm thumbs up on the gold, but not on the Bitcoin.
Yeah, I got stopped out on that.
Thought NQ was going to run, but it kind of went to sleep, didn't it?
Yeah, Bitcoin's probably gonna fly right now.
11-point range on the 1 minute candles. Yeah, I could have had a good entry on Bitcoin. Actually, I did have an entry on Bitcoin. I took it. I just got up I got out like a shithead too early.
I just think for Bitcoin, it might want to go for the Asia low at 116,300, or it's 260 or something. But maybe not.
Mm. Well, I have another confession to make. Not only did me and my wife go for ice cream, I think on Sunday. Yesterday we had to run some errands. I had to get a measuring cup and something for my cat at the dollar store. I came out with a big bag. What's that?
Candy bar?
A bag of chips.
oh, come on, Mike.
No, that's not too bad.
I didn't last long.
Yeah, you're gonna
That's what
break
she
yourself
said.
out of ketosis and stop losing weight.
I don't know what to do. I don't know. I guess, you know what? It's like she said, you'll
What
do
kind
it.
of chip?
Hold on.
Got to see if they were.
Wait.
Got to see if they were worth it.
This is really bad. Not only did I buy them, I have them here with me. Hold on.
Oh
King
man,
size.
Behind my monitor.
It was such a good deal.
Can you
But
see
they
them?
were on sale.
It's these guys, these wiggly corn.
Cheese things?
Yeah. Well,
Jeez.
they look like worms.
Killing me, Mike.
Cheese sticks.
So
Yeah, if I get like when I get cravings, I have to just eat more meat, and then the cravings go away because I'm not actually craving the food that much. I'm just hungry.
wood chips, wood chip wood. I don't know.
How much wood would a wood chip?
We're not organized. That's the problem. We're not organized enough. That's what I'm going with. You know,
Problem is you're just torturing yourself. Every time you're eating chips and stuff, you're throwing the whole thing out the window.
It goes super fast if you just, if you lock in. I guess it's the same thing for trading.
Mhm.
Trading in a diet, you gotta lock in, and then it'll work. Yeah, way better.
for me, honestly, what I think I have to make a schedule, and I have to give myself cheat days. I know.
Yeah,
it's,
I cheat every 2 weeks.
I know it's
but,
going to sound really sad, but I can't give up pizza. That's the only thing that's scaring me. I said, really? I can't.
Pizza is so good.
I can't go 3 months without a pizza. I'm sorry.
That's
I
our
don't
weakness
eat
in my
pizza.
house.
I don't eat pizza because it's so much bread and dough and stuff. But
Yeah.
that's probably the food I miss the most.
Yeah, but can't you can make it out of the cottage cheese.
You can.
Oh yeah, I haven't tried that. You can make
Yeah,
like
you
a
can.
crust kind of thing out of cottage cheese, right?
Protein, cheese, yeah, so we can do keto. Okay, that's a good idea.
Tomato sauce shouldn't be too bad for it,
Yeah,
as long as it doesn't have like sugar and stuff in it.
yeah.
And then throw some meat on there, and you can call it a carnivore pizza.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Can you eat cottage cheese on a carnivore diet?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There
Oh,
you go. Carnivore pizza.
Yeah, the meat. It has to have no sugar.
We don't have to put sugar on it.
No.
Is there
The
sugar?
cottage cheese. There's 6 grams of cottage cheese, I think, in a cup, and there's 4 cups in a container. So you're talking about 24 grams of cottage cheese of sugar for a whole container, and you're going to need that for the dough. So that's a little high.
You can get sugar free, right?
Probably. You'd probably have to go to a specialty store, a health food store. But I would
Find
think
like a country market or something.
Yeah. Maybe go into a regular supermarket and go into that section that no one shops in, the biological section. Where the guy goes there and takes out all the food because it's all rotten because it's been there for 6 months. Bodybuilders, when they get ready for
I have to look
competition,
up how to make a
they
cottage
go down
cheese
12
pizza.
donuts, but they do not continue. They go straight back to the diet. Wow, they down 12 donuts.
Who downs 12 donuts?
James is saying bodybuilders spike their carbs. I think when they're getting ready for a competition.
Did you hear Eddie Hall switch to carnivore diet? The world's strongest man.
Oh yeah, no.
It was like, yeah, this is way better than carb loading. He said the workout recovery is like a really big difference.
Oh yeah. I heard something like that also from. It was from Mike. He wasn't talking. He wasn't talking recovery. He just said a lot more energy.
Yeah, me too. Like when I'm riding, I can ride and do wheelies like the entire time we're riding, pretty much.
Yeah.
I used to be maybe 50-50.
That's fatiguing?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Just riding a motorcycle is
when we're
fatiguing.
jumping around and stuff.
Okay.
Wind beating the shit out of you for an hour.
The wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The wind, dude.
Just go out there and ride for 2 or 3 hours. You'd be exhausted.
The wind is no joke.
And everything you do on a motorcycle, you're moving that whole motorcycle. It's a whole body workout.
Yeah, it's a great workout. It's my
Mhm.
favorite workout program.
Hell yeah.
Well, I know when I used to go horseback riding when I was younger, it worked muscles that I didn't knew were in my body, and we were all sore. for a few days. The inner thighs, because you got to squeeze the horse. I don't remember what else it was, but yeah, we used to be sore. Hey, OFT, nice to see you. Always happy to see you. How's it going? Yeah, all green today, and I was all green yesterday. Yesterday was like $1,000 day, and I said that I don't show my account in the beginning of the trading day, and it worked yesterday, so I did the same thing. Superstitiously, I didn't show it today, and it was a good day. I'll do it again tomorrow, as long as it continues.
Wish you could hide your P&L and Project X. Because I saw something about seeing that dollar amount. Just
I think you can, or I think I heard they're going to add that, where you can get it all starred out. It's there, but it's stars. I remember reading about
is that like, is that streamer mode?
Maybe that's it. Yeah, that's it. I think that was it. It had to do with streamers. I read that was what the whole email or blurb was about.
So you're just staring at your P&L all day?
Yeah.
That's damaging.
Maybe open up a small program in front of it.
Yeah, there we go. Oh my God, that's awesome.
That's what I would do.
Oh no, but it still shows you green or red on the day. You can't hide that, but
colors.
You can hide everything else. So
did you take a couple of trades OFT today? Did you catch that move down? Catch the bounce up, the 10 o'clock reversal?
I'm glad I didn't try any of these long setups. NQ just went to sleep.
It's waiting.
NQ was like, fuck you guys, I'm going to sleep.
I kind of missed the metal intro. Futures. Oh, sorry.
I was just gonna say London closes in what 17 minutes. So often it wants to at least return to the London lows.
Really hoping to get back trading next month. I haven't traded coded one trading tool today. Okay. Hey, go and check out my latest video. I put the link over there. I mean, not now, but check out my latest video. I'm getting better at making videos. It's coming along, learning the skills. What chip? I got a question for you. Did you see my latest video? And here's why I'm asking you, because I know you don't like the AI looking videos. So I'm wondering if this is far enough.
Did I say that?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You know, like an AI, full AI video with the fake voice, that guy Dan with the deep voice. And
oh yeah, he made one before. Yeah, he made one before, and you said, "Oh, it's one of those AI videos."
Kind of like the way the butter stunts.
What about Master Trade? Isn't that AI?
That's all. Yeah, well, yeah, but that's a joke, so it's different. It's not. Let's say on a strategy or on a trading psychology. Okay. It's not a learning video, so then it's okay. Whoa. But anyways, check out my latest video and tell me if you think it's has an AI feel to it, or if I've gotten far enough away from that. I think I have.
No, I actually like what you're doing with the video creation stuff. It's entertaining. Some of it's a lot of humor, and some of it's like straightforward, like instructional.
But no, I see the what's the turn off from that AI feel, so not just because you said it, but I watch AI videos, instructional AI videos for half an hour and stuff, but I think it would be better if the guy was actually there talking to you, like really talking to you. I think it would be a better video. So
yeah, I get you guys must sorry, the YouTube
we lost you. No, we lost you there. No, we lost you. You said you guys, and that was it.
Get the YouTube ads for trading. The YouTube ads for trading, where it's AI and it looks.
Omnius, are you hearing him?
They don't say quite right.
Oh yeah. I saw one yesterday. Well, it wasn't on trading. It was on the Fermi paradox. The Fermi paradox has to do with, if the universe is full of life, where are all the aliens? And so that's the Fermi paradox. And the guy was first in the beginning of the video, the AI voice was calling it the Fermi paradox, and in the middle of the video, he started calling it the Fermi, because it's spelled with an I at the end, the Fermi paradox. So, you know, like boom, right away, you know, sounds great, man. Done for the day. I will check that out. Audio is hard to get right. Maybe I would do that with DaVinci Resolve. I mean, audio mixing there. Okay, free tools to get great audio. See you later. Take care. Have a good supper. Thanks for stopping by. And let me know when you start streaming again. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, maybe we'll have you on as a guest. Not maybe. We will have you on as a guest. We're going to do an OFT guest appearance on your first week back.
I have a buy limit at 193.75 still. Looks like it's about to hit. I'm still in the 2 long at 214. And 157 stop. Give some back. I'm wrong. Come on, tap it.
Yeah, I'm not motivated to take any more trades. I'm leaving in 13 minutes.
Oh, wow.
That's it for me.
You had a good day.
I did. It was a good day. It was an easy day.
Nice.
The market giveth and the market taketh, and fortunately the volatility's picked up just a little bit, just enough to start giving me some continuation on my trades finally.
Does that mean longer holds, or are you at a specific size?
Oh, I'm trying for longer holds, and I caught Sunday. That's such a wrong word. My system, which I'm calling the butter bands. What did I call it? Butter stunts? Butter bands breach and butter bands Bitcoin. First I coded it for Bitcoin, so I called it butter bands Bitcoin, but then I called it the butter bands breach. Butter bands has to have an algo with his name in it. So yeah, basically it's using the bands. Can you see my my Renko chart? The white one? Basically using the bands, the blue ones, just to let you know, there are black bands on there, but let me tighten it up. The blue ones, and when you get above the blue bands and you come back into the band, you take the continuation trade and you hold it. So I should have gone long over here. Actually, I did go long, but I got out over here. My brain wasn't in it today for some reason. Yesterday it was, and I was holding them. So that's the long trade, and the short trade was over here. We broke the bands, we touched the bands, we didn't get back over them, and then it just tanked. And I'm saying, wow, that would have been glorious. It would have been a fucking beautiful trade.
Hi, guys.
Who do we have over there? Hey, that is
Ruan.
Ruan. Yeah, I was going to say, no, that's not Skeletor. That's Ruan. Hey, Ruan, nice to have you here.
Yeah, nice to meet you all.
You got Butter Stunts, Omnius, and Wood Chip.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
What about you? Did you have a good day today? You work out?
My stuff.
Hey, what's up, ladies?
Hey, Joker. So who disappeared? Wood Chip's here. Who did we have?
No, that was just me dinging in.
Oh, okay.
I just joined.
I thought someone did. What's up, ladies? I can see how you confuse us with Omnius's beard.
Hey, listen, it's 2025, man. I don't judge, right?
Hey, you gotta have a beard.
Gotta have a beard.
You're not a lady if you don't have a beard.
You're not.
Right, you gotta be the bearded lady.
2025. I stopped judging in 2022. 2020.
Yeah, that's
2020, 2020.
That's because you're from California. It took a lot longer to get to the East Coast.
Yeah, right.
Shit.
Hey, Jose, we got a bunch of people on Discord. If you want to jump on Discord, chat with us, say hi. I posted a link.
All right, boys, what are we looking at? What are we looking at here?
193.75. I'm looking to get filled long. Again, I'm in 2 from 214.50. And it's just teasing that 5 minute.
I don't
Jose,
know,
you
man.
killed it on that trade.
It's been respecting VWAP. That area, right? This FVG, body's closing below. That was a big momentum push to the downside. We're just coming into shit. We tapped into the 618 on the Fibonacci, which also comes into the top of the range on a 60R, middle of the range on a 120.
The hell's he talking about?
23,
60
286
range.
maybe?
Yeah, he's using the range charts now. I like it. I like it.
Oh yeah, I like range charts.
60R, 60 range. I like it, but I'm doing too much. I took it off. I can't follow 17,000 different systems and ways. And
Well, I just use my system. And then
Yeah.
I just use everything else as confluence.
yeah,
So if this aligns with what I'm looking for, if, for example, earlier today, ICT's first presentation gap, right? You go to the 1 minute and you see the first gap after the 9:30 open, it happened to line up to the tick with the VWAP, right? So the second you tap into that 314 area, that's automatic sell after that displacement candle that you got at the 9:30 open.
that was a crazy open, eh? That's when you can use the word displacement, definitely. That was a candle.
So you said 60 range, right?
Yeah, 60R.
Yeah, I used to use a range chart. I don't remember why I quit using it, but I think I switched to the volume chart.
They're all very similar. There's no holy grail.
Mhm.
They all will
No,
basically do the same thing.
I think I switched to volume because everybody keeps talking about how important volume is, and I couldn't never learn how to read it.
Mm.
So I was like, fuck it, I'll just do candles of volume.
The volume candles are all right. The volume footprint.
Okay.
That's another one I couldn't never read, is the footprint.
Footprint
Well, I use
tension.
those just to identify the delta. Look for some divergences in the delta.
Yeah.
So if I start getting some divergences in the delta, if I've got my market structure shift that came in, we're lining up with a first presentation, you're sitting on VWAP, you know what I mean? Like you've got, even let's say you want to use RSI, you got RSI confluence that it ran out of steam.
Finally downloaded that Quant Tower, and I got footprint charts on there. I was looking at it and I was like, shit, I don't know how to read this. Fuck it.
I like the book map chart. The book map chart
For Quant Tower?
Oh, I don't know if it's for Quant Tower, just book map. I know Patrick.
Oh, the regular
Whelan-
book map, yeah.
Yeah, Patrick Whelan used to show it, I think, if I remember. Yeah,
you can
he
use
used to
that
show
on
it.
Heat maps.
You can use that on
Heat
Quant
maps.
Tower also.
Book maps, heat maps.
Yeah.
Yeah, that just shows you where the orders are sitting.
Yeah, I like that. That's a piece of information I like to have, but
If it's accurate, I don't know how accurate.
It's really just level 2 data, right?
That's it. It's harder with level 2 data though, unless if you can color
Same
code
with
it.
level 2, correct? Yeah.
If you can color code it and see it quickly visually, but if you don't color code it and it's all just black on white, you got to analyze it. It's too hard. It's too fast.
There used to be a guy that streamed book map.
How many are ghost orders?
Exactly.
There was a guy that
You can
streamed
get book map on YouTube as well. They've got all of them over there as well.
Yeah.
You just YouTube or look for a live book map. Then it's Nasdaq, Bitcoin, XRP, the whole.
Yeah, I've seen them running.
There's a bunch of them now showing the book map on YouTube.
Yeah.
I would assume it's with a delay, though, no? That would almost
The
be...
delay is very little.
Really?
Yeah, it's very good. I use it.
I thought the book map company makes you agree that you're going to put at least like a 5-minute delay or something if you're going to show it on...
Yeah, something must have changed. Because book map used to be... Book map used to be like really sensitive about their book map.
Mm.
They used to get on to people. I see a bunch of people doing it now, so they must have lightened up a little bit.
Well, in one respect, I can see that it costs you customers because you're going to get the freeloaders. But you know what? Honestly, for me, I would be a freeloader because I wouldn't be buying it anyways. If I can get it for free, I'll look at it. But I wouldn't outright go out and get it and pay for it. However, if I see it for free and I get value from it, then I am going to go pay for it. So it actually, on one hand, will cost them customers in the short term, but in the long term, I think it'll bring them in more customers. It's always good to get your name out there and let people see your product. And
yeah, because you're going to want to be able to adjust it the way you want. So
exactly, and I'm going to.
If you really like it, and if you're somebody that's going to use it, you're not going to. I mean, you're not going to watch it on YouTube.
No, and I don't want it even with a 5-second delay. I need it. I need it real time.
I mean, if you're somebody that's gonna buy it, you're not gonna be turned off because you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to bring you to the program.
That's my point.
Yeah, but you can get the same thing on Quantower for free. You just got to have level 2 data.
Yeah.
I think I can do it. I've only got level 1 data because I don't use level 2. But I think with level 1, it just shows the bubbles.
I love bubbles.
Mike, we all knew that you love bubbles. But I'm on one now, and it's pretty good. You can see it. You can see where the orders are. There's a big order at, if I had better eyes. Looks like a 333 or 325.
You can see where the orders are sitting regardless, guys, right? Like,
Maybe if I make it bigger.
It's your point of control, dude, right? Like wherever you see the market constantly rejecting or bouncing, right? That's where your orders are sitting, right? You take VWAP, you look at VWAP, right? You got orders sitting right there. It's just an average, right? Question is, when is the market gonna respect those orders, or when is it gonna bust through those orders, right? Like that's what we're trying to identify.
Mm-hmm.
So to figure out where the fuck orders are sitting, bro. We got orders sitting everywhere on this fucking chart.
Yeah, that's
well, you can see like the large order up at 325, plus some large orders right below us. Of course, the orders are below us, but if you're wanting to buy along and you want to go for a large order target, then you would go up to the 325. Maybe set it right below it.
I'm sorry, I'm hungry. Did you just say something about a large order of fries?
Large pizza.
Joker, did you hear the diet is sort of over?
Diet is sort of
over. My wife brought me for ice cream on Sunday, and yesterday we went to the dollar store.
Look, he gave up quick, didn't he?
She was waiting in the car, and I came out with this, and she goes, "What the fuck is that?" And I said with a sheepish face, "Just one bag of chips."
Look, man.
Yeah, but the funny thing is, you're like, it's just one bag of chips, but now here we are. It was one bag of chips, one ice cream, and now it's over.
You know what I mean? Like, it's not just because you had a bag of chips and some ice cream doesn't mean you gotta shift your entire lifestyle.
Yeah, no, we're gonna.
He's like, I had an ice cream. This shit's over.
You need to you need some discipline, man.
It's not that you can't. When a guy starts running a race, you don't put your foot out and trip him. Let him maintain his momentum. That's all I am. And the ice cream broke my momentum, and now it's like, okay, you know.
Hey, those are excuses.
They are.
He's like, I tasted the ice cream. It was good.
Those are just excuses, bro. There's
Joker's
nobody.
Go
ahead.
Yeah, no, you know, the thing is, here, what
Joker's about to give a lesson. Let's listen. He's gonna give it.
There's no lesson. It's just discipline, bro. It's just one word, guys. Just one word, and you take it with you everywhere. You take it with you in trading. You take it with you in life.
Preach it.
That's simple, bro. If you don't have the discipline, Mike, to stick to a rule that you put out for yourself, right? Whatever it is, diet, right? Not gonna drink sugar.
No, I have a witness. Omnius was on the thing. Omnius was with me at the moment.
No, hey, don't blame me.
Wasn't my wife texting me, let's go for ice cream? Wasn't she the one that?
So you can watch her eat. You can watch her eat ice cream.
You were there. You saw it.
Wait. Hold on. And we can't watch anybody eat ice cream. That's bullshit.
I said no 3 times, and she kept texting and texting. She relentlessly continued texting me. Let's go.
Okay, you know what you do next time? You go for ice cream with her, and then you don't get your own. You just say, I just want to taste the flavor of what you're having, and then that's it. And that has to be your.
Well, no, I told
it's all over then.
Compromise.
Yeah, it's all. Here's what I got a better idea.
on the line ordering a cone.
Mike, I got a better idea. You take her out for ice cream, and you accidentally make a wrong turn and go to the steakhouse instead. Get her a steak.
That would work.
That's not a bad idea.
That would work.
Hey, listen, go. If you want ice cream, go for some frozen yogurt.
Look, you put a nice steak in her mouth, and she'll be happy.
I'm not saying that shit is good for you either. 'Cause it's not.
Okay, guys.
If you're on the carnivore diet, ain't you eating steak? I'm confused.
You are. I am 3 minutes late. I got to go already. It was fun. Thanks a lot. Maybe I'll stream this evening. I'm not sure. I'm closing down my stream, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow morning. Joker, Ruan, Butterstance, and Woodchip, thanks for showing up in the public chat. We had some good laughs.
Yeah, thanks, Mike.
Yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow probably. Take care.
Later.
See you, Mike.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.